As we get started on CSS, I want to show you a powerful tool that's built into the browsers that you use. Let's say, for example, this is part of the BYU Idaho webpage. I can come here and I can right-click on just about anything and say Inspect Element. And so it launches this thing down here, which is called the Chrome Developer Tools. You'll find the same thing in Firefox. You can right-click on something and hit Inspect Element. You can also install a plugin into Firefox called Firebug, which is my own preferred development tool, but I'm showing you this one in Chrome because it's built into Chrome, so you don't have to install anything. But just so you know, this same thing is available in Firefox. So what this shows you is, as I move over here, you can see it's selecting different parts of the web page. You can click on different parts of the web page. You can even edit things. Like I can come in here and I can type something in here and it will appear up in here as if it's part of the website. You can do this. This is powerful if you're trying to work on a website and you want to see what does it look like if this word is in here, if this word's taken out of here. Take out the image. You can delete parts of the website. You can move it around. It doesn't save it. It's not permanent, but it's a powerful tool for when you're working on building things. You just want to quickly see what they look like. Now, where this is really powerful for CSS is you see over here on the right hand side it says styles. So for this, say I click this div here, over here I can see all the styles and where the style is coming from that apply to this thing. I can see the styles, I can turn them on and off, and I can change them. I can click inside of here and say 25 instead of 20. Let me choose one where you can actually see it happening. For example, if I come over here, right click here, say Inspect Element, and so inside of here I'm going to change the font from 15.4 up to 25.4, and you can see how it changed up in here. I'll change it back to 15. Doesn't really matter because it doesn't change the website. But you can go through here. I can also click on here and I can add in additional things in here if I want to try out padding or margins or other things, see what they can look like. I can add other ones in here. There are so many other tools available to you through the development tools that could be useful to you. There's information about network when things are being loaded in. Sources, where are the different pieces that this website is made out of coming from? The timeline, how was stuff loaded in. The console is especially powerful when it comes time when we get to JavaScript, because if you're doing program with JavaScript, you pretty much use the console for all of your debugging So anyway, as you start learning about CSS, remember the development tools. Pretty much every web developer out there, they choose either Firefox or Chrome, and they use these development tools all day long. It is the most powerful tool. It was back in the days before these tools are invented. It was a real pain to do web development. You basically had to do everything in JavaScript alerts and have them popping up to see what was going on and just guessing what you had to change. And now that we have these tools where we can see exactly what's going on, we can make changes, it's a tremendous benefit to us. So I encourage you to, as you were learning about CSS this week, to to try these tools out.